The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Nobody here yet in chat, so we'll just go right to looking at what the markets did overnight, which doesn't seem like a lot. ES high, 47.57, low, 47.49. Only about 8 points in range. NQ, 587 for the high, 504 for the low, so 83 points in range. Hey DFT, how you doing? Happy New Year. How was your holidays? Copper, about 100 ticks in range. Gold, tighter range than we've been seeing, but still about 12 points. Hey Kevin, how you doing? Hey Ultra Bond, about 1.5 in range. Hey Brooks, how you doing? Crude, ooh wow, crude just dumped to a new low a day. Hit 74 even up there, looks like. Down under 70, well, right at 73. So at a point in about 115 ticks of range. Hey, it was all right. Did you have the traditional pork and sauerkraut for New Year's? Natural gas rising up. And Bitcoin's trying to recover from the bad news yesterday that might have turned out to be fake news. So that's what we said. Stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. And we'll try and make some good decisions. Well, I hope that brings you good luck as well, DFT. You know, one thing I used to always have for New Year's Eve that they don't have out here is ring bologna. Yes, I did, DFT. So only one day a year I'll eat sauerkraut. Oh yeah, good point about news. Kind of not with it yet this morning. And by the way, my internet's been having issues, so if things start swirling, I'll be back, but it keeps dropping and then coming back. I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, I can't get ring bologna out here. I was surprised. I thought ring bologna was a thing everywhere, but apparently it's not. So news this morning. Coming up in 10 minutes, U.S. ADP employment change coming up in 25 minutes. U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. S&P services PMI final coming up at 9:45. Natural gas inventories at 10:30. And crude oil inventories at 11. A lot of news. Of course, tomorrow is non-farm payrolls. But yeah, I love ring bologna. Oh yeah, I love sweet Lebanon bologna. Absolutely. And yeah, you can't get that out here either. Heading down, trying to break 16,500. Touched 503 there. Gold's grinding up. Can't get Scrapple out here either. No Scrapple. Hey JC, good morning. How you doing? JC, you've been kind of quiet the last couple mornings. Everything okay? I'm doing good. And keys, we're waiting for the first news of the day coming up in just a few minutes. All right, makes sense. So for those that haven't heard, Topstep announced a flash sale yesterday and basically it's half off their already low prices, but it's one-time use code. But you can get a 50K account for 24 bucks, a 100K account for 49, or a 150K account for 74. But it's a one-time use code. The link is down in the video description below with the code. Choose wisely, because like I said, it's one-time use. It's time to trade your way out of that job, DFT. But that's okay. We'll miss you. You can have more than one Topstep. You can have up to 3 funded accounts at a time, but I don't think there's a limit to how many evals you have going at one time. Hey, Chef, I haven't seen you here in the stream in like 25 years or so. How you doing, my friend? Yeah, there we go. Chef coming in with the knowledge. Wow, cleaning ladies. Oh, we just broke 16,500 on NASDAQ. Chef must be doing well here on the trading. He's got cleaning ladies. They do. They send out a tweet each week about with names of people that have been put on live, and I think they announce it on Top Step TV as well. And yes, I know it's technically X now, but I will always call it Twitter. They do it on Instagram too, probably Facebook. Oh, I need to kill that Nightbot. That Bull and Ox sale is no longer active. Bull and Ox does have 83% off their intraday accounts, but they do not have the 75% off of end of day. I can just edit. Oh. Need to hire a social media person to keep up with this stuff. Yeah, Google will never be Alphabet. Popped up a little here, back up to 506. News in 45 seconds. We'll start spreading the news. We're trading today. Little burst down. New low a day, 495. I think it's new low a day. I'm right. Yeah, low a day. It bounces back up. Let's see what the number was. The number. Well, there we go. US ADP employment change, 164K. They expected 125K. That's a pretty big beat. Not a real big response. We got unemployment numbers coming up now in 15 minutes. Boosting it back up a little bit. Nothing to write home about. Not that you'll write home about it anyway. Dear Mom and Dad, ADP numbers caused NQ to pop up. 10 points. Doing good here at camp. Ultra Bond opens in a couple minutes. Let's see here. It's made a new low a day. Check what it looks like on the 5. Okay. See what it'll do. Also, that Apex sale, that 80% off, that ends tonight. Of course, you can have unlimited on that 80%. Whereas the Topstep's limited to this one account with the discount. I was shocked when that Topstep sale was announced. I did not think they were going to go any lower than, they're what seems to now be their normal price, the $49.99, $149, but they did. That said, I would not expect to see that again, but I will say that Topstep, I believe, next month. I'm not sure. I would have to go back and look. I believe it's Topstep's birthday or anniversary or whatever in February. I think that's the month. So you might see something around that, but I don't know. Topstep was never one to give out major discounts, run sales before they did their major change, which back in July. So this has all been new territory. And I would have to say, I think I plan on doing a video on the top 5 major futures prop firm developments of 2023. But I think the Topstep's changes probably have to be considered the biggest story of 2023. Ooh, down again. All right, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. We'll continue to try and grow this channel this year. We're a little over 100, we're need like 115 more subscribers to hit 2,000. Down to 494. More news in 10. Ultra bond. Try to pop up there. It's open. Morning, Sid. How are you doing, my friend? Good. It's a good thing is sometimes you end up early up, waking up early like you did, and you get your days and nights all mixed up, and you have trouble getting back on the schedule. Um, my evening was gastrointestinally active. Put it that way. My stomach's still not doing well, so I'm like popping, alternating Imodium and Pepto-Bismol to try and like finally get it to chill out. Hopefully there'll be no interruptions to the stream like yesterday, though. It seems to be regulating some. Little move up here. Could have taken that. It was an iffy one, but could have got 10 points. Our easy for me to say. ATR is she's pretty big for this time of morning. 6.65. We'll see. We'll probably stay flat until after the next news, which is unemployment claims. That's your trucking company, Sid? It's looking good so far. The the white part down below is kind of broken, but the top I like the picture and the quick information there. Rising up, so we're back up above 16.5. Awesome, thank you very much, Sid. Appreciate that. uh, Still rising up. I probably should have grabbed that blue candle there. I didn't. But like I said, I was planning on staying flat until after the unemployment news. 10 seconds to unemployment. Ooh, quick burst down by about 8 points. Let's see. U.S. initial jobless claims 202K. Forecast is 216, so that was a beat. So that's our last news now to U.S. S&P Services PMI final at 9:45. Neither news report really moved the market much so far this morning. Let's see, gold coming down. Ultra bod new low day. Copper slightly new low day. And whoa, what a wick there on crude, all the way back up and heading back up. Hey, cool beans. How was the California forest today? There, now the market's moving, pushing down. Yeah, we haven't gotten any here yet this year either. Supposed to maybe get some next week. I haven't looked at that. Let's take a look while the market's falling. Well, I'm not going to show you guys, but I'll. Saw the East Coast is supposed to get measurable snow for like the first time in 2 years. DFT still here? Or what are you hearing? How much snow are you supposed to get? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like last year you had like massive snow there, right? Okay, so we got down to 470, 275. Just trying to bounce here a little bit. Let's see if it does it. Well, fine, I'll look it up. Yeah. DFT, Noah says 1 to 3 inches on Saturday, then more mixed with rain Saturday night, up to a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain Saturday night, and more rain and snow Sunday morning. There's your weather. We'll be on the sports here. No, okay. That would have faked me out there if I had taken that long. I mean, I could have got 5 points, which is probably where I should set my targets right now. I love watching it snow. Just, obviously I don't love having to go out on it. I mean, I haven't, not that I go out, but back when I lived in Reading, Pennsylvania, back in the mid-90s, we had 2 years that had massive snow events. Like, normally Reading probably gets like, I don't know, 20 inches a year, I would say. And both those years neared 100 inches. And I was driving a 1977 Chevy Monte Carlo. Big old boat of a car with rear wheel drive. That was fun. I was working actually working at McDonald's, and it was a long drive to it, about 12 miles, in a snowstorm. I was so happy because I made it the entire way. And as I pulled into the lot, I somehow lost control and ended up at a 45-degree angle on a snowbank. But that, yeah, I mean, the car was really close to flipping on its side. A bunch of the crew members came out and pushed me out, and the car was fine. But yeah, it's fun. I mean, it was what I could afford then. I, uh, I liked my Monte Carlo, but I mean, it got like 8 miles to the gallon, 8 or 10 miles to the gallon. That was when gas was like 99 cents a gallon. Car cost me like $800. Now, don't ask me about all the repairs that it cost me. The transmission went out on it twice. Uh, Fuel pump opened up the fuel pump. Opened up the hood once, and the fuel pump was shooting gas into the motor. You know, the whole thing. That was a fun thing. Carburetor went on at once where it would accelerate and wouldn't stop accelerating. Moving down here, 16,469. And let's see. Master cylinder went on at once. As I was going down a hill. Luckily, I was able to get the car to stop. Yeah. Fun. So we're down to 468. Just watching it fall, not really giving me. It's giving me fake outs. Luckily, I haven't taken them. These blue candles could have been, this green candle, blue candle could have been triggers for me, but I didn't take them. Wouldn't mind restoring that Monte Carlo, but I know nothing about restoring cars and just didn't have the money back then. Short and gold to 44. Oh, wow. Gold's just dumping. Everything's dumping. Did I miss something? Yeah, I couldn't imagine driving that nowadays. Getting 8 to 10 gallons, 8 to 10 gallons of 8 to 10 miles per gallon. That's what I'm trying to say. Although, I mean, it probably could have been tuned up to be better than that. Now it's only with a 305. People were asking me if I was going to put a 350 or a 454 in it. Just watching the market fall, and there's your downside target. Cool beans, 450. Well, hit 453. Got within a point of your downside target. Oh, there we go. Now you hit 451. That was great times back then, though. Oh, so DFT, you missed the earthquakes in '95 and the all-time record low that winter, like -21. Maybe a bounce here. Those couple of earthquakes, I mean, they weren't big, but they definitely shook stuff. I was living in West Reading at the time, apartment building right at the Fifth Avenue and Penn Avenue, the southeast corner of that intersection, and I just watched like my all my shelves sway, and the building felt like it was swaying. We just keep falling here. So the market, it was positive news, but the market didn't like the positive news. And I'm at a point where I really don't want to jump in short. Like I said, the biggest quake was only 4.6, but it was just such a shallow quake that really shook things up. So blue candle there. I kind of want to take it. I kind of think it might be a fake out. What the heck? Going for a quick 5. I mean, late as usual. Only by a point. No. Stopped out. That was quick. Stopped out with slippage. How about that? Nice. Oh, no slippage. Shows commissions. Never mind. Ultravon trying to bounce here. Maybe. And this was me being stupid on that NQ trade. I should have put my stop below that wick. You see it's popping. It's back to my where I entered at there. We're going to try again. This time we're going to put the stop where it belongs. I'm late again, aren't I? 6:20. Not only by 2 ticks. It's our ETR. 7. Let's hone in on this. And watch. Let's see if we can get our money back. I want my money back. About a little less than 45 minutes to the bell. A little less than 15 minutes to the top of the hour. Everyone else got quiet. How's everyone else doing out there? Hey, Freighter. How you been doing? Hope you had a great holiday. Hey, John C. Welcome. There we go. Target hits. 7-point trade. Got our money back plus. Oh, yes. I remember working. I never worked like. I worked at a grocery store during the holiday season once. That wasn't real fun. Now, we were talking about these snowstorms that I was working at a grocery store one year when we were getting all these snowstorms. And it's amazing how wild people get. Yeah, we saw one person that they called for 3 snowstorms in a week. And each time this person would come in and buy $200 worth of groceries. And this was in the 90s when $200 worth of groceries was like two plus carts full. Hey, welcome to the stream. If you're new, John C. If you're not new and I just forgotten you, then chalk it up to early onset Alzheimer's and don't be offended. We're green by 31.64 now. Fun for blue candle here. I might take this if it holds. I'm glad to see you said hello, John. Everyone should always feel free to say hi in the chat if they so choose. We have a good group here that likes to chat a little bit. (2023) saw Topstep once again reclaim its spot at the top of the futures trading prop firms, and now there's no reason for you not to try them out if you haven't, or even if you have, because Topstep wants you to become a funded trader with them in 2024 and has an insane offer. Today's only get 50% off their already low prices, but it's a one-time use code. So decide if you want a 50K for $24, 100K for $49, or 150K for $74. Get in with me, become a Topstep trader. Use code New Year 2024, link and the code down in the video description below. Join me as a Topstep trader and become a Topstep funded trader for 2024. Watching to see, looks like we're pulling back just slightly, but we're above my signal line, so not looking there right now. Thank you, Sid. Recorded that last night at about 11 o'clock in between bathroom runs. Let's see, gold, nice little bounce there. Could grab the point off that blue candle. Ultra bond, up, look at that blue candle bounce there. That would have been good. 5 ticks. Copper, new low day again. Whoosh. What's Bitcoin doing? I forgot to check Bitcoin. Oh yeah, it's about 43.5. Hey, TT Trader. Yeah, they said that free reset could be anytime between now and next Wednesday. Well, yesterday and next Wednesday. So, not sure how quickly that's going to be out. Hope you're doing well this morning, TT Trader. So remember that Topstep sale only runs through the end of tomorrow. And again, it's a one-time use, so you can only pick up one account at that price. But the Apex sale, 80% off, that ends tonight. Apex getting a little bit more stingier with their sales. Yeah, which is interesting. I wonder if there's anything to that. So we're waiting for our next entry here as we head toward the top of the hour. We've been talking cars, snowstorms, Pennsylvania Dutch foods, and of course trading. Yeah, that's a good question, TT Trader. It's gonna be interesting to see what Apex does. Yeah, I think Top Step probably has taken a bite away from Apex. And honestly, I'm really surprised that Darryl Martin hasn't really done much to fire back at Top Step. I expected a response, and there never really has been one. Just their same 80 to 90%. The whole 1 day passing thing isn't that big of a deal. I mean, Top Step is 2 days if you want to try to do it. I I mean, and at this point, I think the only thing Apex could really do to really shake things up is, you know, if they would ever decide to bring out end of day accounts. But I don't know if they could do end of day accounts with their model. Yep. Yeah, that was another brilliant thing. Hey, Scott Atkins, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I just don't think I think Apex needs that trailing drawdown just for their model. End of day accounts are almost always more expensive with people that have both. Companies that have both because obviously less people fail. So I'm just not sure Apex can do it. I mean, I would love to see them bring out end of day, even if they don't do as heavy discounts. But right now, in my opinion, Top Step's the number one firm. Apex is, obviously still a great firm, and you're not going to go wrong with either of them, or Blue Sky, or Earn the Trade, Bull and Ox. Less than half an hour to the bell. I thought the other interesting thing about 2023 of futures prop firms is that there really wasn't any groundbreaking new firms to enter the space. I mean, there are new firms, but none that really, jumped into the competition, in my opinion. From fall of 2021 till summer of 2022, we saw a, a huge amount of firms come into the space. We saw Apex, we saw Ball and Ox, we saw ETF, Tick Trader, Trade Day, Take Profit Trader, and one more I'm forgetting. And we really didn't, the only one in 2023 that really came in that made a splash, and that was only because they had a huge amount of Forex people coming with them, was My Funded Futures. I mean, I partly agree with you, Cool Beans. I do, I have seen that, but in the same token, it makes you scared to try for bigger moves, or even using as they're dropping here, uh, even using trying to get a runner, or even a break even, moving your target, your stop to break even when it gets to a certain space, place, hoping for a bigger move. And, it's double-edged sword, there's good things and bad things. It makes you, I mean, it's trailing drawdown is good for scalpers, but for people who want bigger moves, like if I want to, let's look at NQ here. Let's see if I can find, here. This is yesterday, so this would be a trigger for me right here on this. This is on the 5-minute chart, and you can see this move went from 601. Let's say stop there at 545. So it's 50, over 50 points. But each of these wicks would scare you to get out, because if it stops you out, while you got a nice chunk of profit, you end up losing a bigger chunk of drawdown. Yeah, but if you're using multiple, okay, but on the other side of that, if you're using multiple contracts and you enter a trade where you're just wrong, you end up, then you're, even if you have a really tight stop of say 5 points, but you're using 3 contracts, that's a $300 loss. Nice pop up there on that blue candle. And I can agree with that, but sometimes there's, even if you're confident, a trade can go badly. Even if everything sets up correctly, there's no such thing as 100%, 100% win rate. We're long. Long off that blue candle. It's coming back down at me though. Side of the day drawdown is definitely more comfortable. Although, I mean, honestly, for me, I do scalp, at least at this point in my trading career. So either way works for me. Doesn't want to go any higher than 16,461 here. Come on, take me higher. Can you take me higher? There we go. Target hit. We got our 5 points there. Now 2 for 3 on the day, up 127.46. With about 22 minutes till the bell. You can tell when Topstep TV starts. 20 minutes ago, there was 31 people here. Now there's 17. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Well, no more free resets being given out. Topstep TV is a little bit more exciting than just watching me trade. I admit that when they first announced Topstep TV, I was a little upset that they were basically competing with their streamers, but it's okay. Gold trying to pop up there a bit. Another blue candle here in NQ. I was on their live stream once. Back in October. We're long again. Yeah, hopefully I will. I need to get funded and then actually have some consistency. So I'm not just going on there just to make it seem like I know what I'm talking about. Hey, Burrow, Happy New Year. Hope you've had a great New Year. Hope you had a great holiday season. How you doing, my friend? Target hit. There we go. 2 wins in the last 5 minutes. We're now 3 for 4 on the day, up to 23.28. Who knew? Following my strategy can actually work out. Holidays was pretty good. Thank you. So my only loss of the morning was where I didn't follow my strategy. Is when I entered off of this blue candle here. We'll blow that up, or try to, right here. And I did not put my stop at the bottom of that wick. And I got stopped out for 5 points where I would not have got stopped out. And then I re-entered off the next blue candle and got that win there. But that could have all been one trade with no loss if I had just followed my strat. And another trying to entice me with another blue candle. I'm not sure I want to go for a third run here. We're about 15 minutes from the bell. We should soon see Ace joining us. And RJ is still missing. We might need to put him on a milk carton. There's probably people here that are like, what's this about putting people in a milk carton? Well, for those of you youngins, back in the day, they would put missing kids' pictures on milk cartons. So I'm not taking this blue candle. Probably a mistake, but we'll see. Oh, blue candle went away. So no mistake. Yep, Petrard remembers. Gold did pop up a little bit there. By about 4 points. Nice little pop. Ah, nice. Just as I start talking about gold, DFT goes long on gold. Oops. Sorry, once again, hit and scrape the mic. Kind of waiting now until the bell, maybe. We'll see. Just kind of hanging here at 16,466. I didn't realize VWAP worked on Renko. Well, I mean, I guess VWAP is VWAP, but I remember I played around with Renko in the past, but nothing serious. Also played around with Hike and Ashi in the past. Blue candle. Ooh, glad I didn't take that blue candle. Wow. Whipped right down. Whip it. Whip it good. Morning, Ace. I think it's good. Yeah, for me, more action is good because when I don't have anything going on, I tend to be doing other things. Then I miss stuff or just not concentrating. Doing all right. Oh boy. About 8.5 minutes till the bell. Well, we're pulling down now. Gold's moving up a little nicely there for DFT. We didn't start the fire. It's always been burning since the world's been turning. Sorry. I had a good purple candle to take. Didn't realize I was below my signal line there. Did you see it's dropped? Nicely, very nicely, as we're heading toward the bell. Pushing down, back down to 16,454. Bouncing back up here. Nice little bounce. Fall and whoosh. Big whoosh. New low a day. Down to 16,444. Yeah, it was fast. Not sure what happened there. ES down to 47.37 for its new low. Pop back up by 2 points though. RJ is still missing. As they said, 2 minutes to go. Probably. Dow falling here faster than the rest. Twenty seconds. Ding, dang, dang, ding, ding. Oops, I dinged 3 seconds early. Ding, 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 ding. Dow pops up, NQ goes down, ES is going up. Ooh, big pop. We're up 11 points. Dow can't decide. ES struggling. NQ now up 15. Pulls back on the next candle. Back down 7. Gold pulling back. Nice move up here. So we're up 21 points since the open. All right, ace is long. Already got his 2 points. I took a long on NQ. And hit target. I forgot to change my target. So, but that was a 5-point win. So I'll take it. We're up 319.10 now on the day. I should have had a 10-point target there, which we would have just hit, but that's okay. I forgot to change my ATM. Thank you, Ace. Dang, I keep hitting that darn mic. Need to move it a little bit away. Try that. Pullback here, so quick pullback, bad, easy for me to say. Back down by about 15 points, 17 points now. Pullbacks a little bit here on all the indices. I could have taken that purple candle there on NQ. I didn't trust it. It would have gave me another 10 though. No John DeFore this morning. Wonder where he's at today. We have lots of missing Canadians. All right. Let me know what he has to say. Hopefully he wasn't kidnapped by Seth or something. Yeah, it would require a rescue mission. Rising up. Okay, NQ reclaim 16,500. Pulls back. Right above that 100 EMA. Blue candle forming again. It did touch 16,500 and then pulled back. Big pullback off of it. Back down to 82. Now it's trying to rise again. It's trying to rise up again. It's trying to figure out where it wants to go. Dow pushing up. ES pushing up. Q just trying to decide. Ultra bond, kind of sideways. Crude dumping down. Gold. Never moved this one and made its daily low there. Agriculture. Well, hogs are starting their day off well. Looks like a mixed day on agriculture. I take it the kids don't go back to school till next week. Long. Watch me give back most of my profit here in this long. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Now, come on, move up. Looking for 10 points here. Our ATR is 12, so we're looking for 10. Ah, red. Yeah, that was probably a bad decision on that blue candle. We had the momentum down, blue candle fake out. I did not recognize the blue candle fake out on this trade. Stop. Big stop there. So we're back down to only 109 in profit. Ouch. So we'll try to short off that purple candle. Try to get our money back. Oh, stopped out there. Now we're red. Hey, that's the familiar feeling. Not sure where it wants to go, so I just allowed myself to get chopped out. Good job. Oh, we have news coming up in 3 minutes or less than 3 minutes. US S&P Services PMI final. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I think it wants to come down. I'm not going to enter any trades here until after news. 30 seconds till news. So far, that news didn't rock our socks. Plus, it's delayed. U.S. S&P Services PMI final 51.4. They expected 51.3. Oh, not bad. Market's kind of stagnant. Gold's coming down though. Dollar's rising up. Back down. So we're kind of just choppy right now. Oh, stretching. Blue candle there. Not really a band bounce, but went away. Waiting to see what it wants to do, folks. Waiting to see what it wants to do. Ace, it's going the other way, so it looks like you don't need to be mad. Non-farm payrolls tomorrow should provide some fun and excitement. Have a nice nap, Ace. Blue candle pop up here. Kind of sandwiched between the band and the 20. $20.23 saw Topstep once again reclaim its spot at the top of the futures trading prop firms, and now there is no reason for you not to try them out if you haven't, or even if you have, because Topstep wants you to become a funded trader with them in 2024 and has an insane offer. 2 days only get 50% off their already low prices, but it's a one-time use code. So decide if you want a 50K for $24, 100K for $49, or 150K for $74. Get in with me, become a Topstep trader. Use code New Year 2024, link and the code down in the video description below. Join me as a Topstep trader and become a Topstep funded trader for 2024. Oh, that blue candle ended up working. I didn't really want to trust it. Probably should have taken the second one. Just dealing with these EMAs, I didn't really like dealing with the EMAs. Should have dealt with the EMAs though. Yep, Topstep is definitely starting the new year out well. Pulls back down. Top of the hour coming up. What? Is there another news? No. No more news. Yep, lots of good sales going right now. That Topstep sale going till tomorrow. Remember, it's limited to just one. Yeah, Apex ending tonight. They're 80% off, unlimited. Blue candle pop here on NQ. Bowenox is 83% off their intraday accounts. Waiting here. Sorry, got distracted for a second. Now we're pulling back again. It's kind of stuck right now around 16,470. Pushing down. Yeah, there's a couple trades here I probably should have taken, but after taking those 2 losses in a row, I got a little skittish. I didn't give myself a chance to get them back. So we'll see. We still got an hour to go. Well, maybe a little less if my tummy keeps feeling a little off. Down to 16,455. ES hanging around 47.45. Dow showing some strength back up to 37,820. Purple candle here. Just started though, but falling quick. Whoa, whoosh. Top of the hour, moved down quick there, 15 points down. Big bounce though. Look at that. Coming right back up. So whoosh down from 460 down to 445, and now we're back up to 475. It's Kind of in between those two EMAs there, 20 and the 100. Now it's breaking through up. It's breaking up is hard to do. I say that breaking up is hard to do. Nice, Sid. Taking a long here on the NQ, which may be a mistake. Yep, it was wow. Wow, that was a quick 5-second mistake. Thought I had momentum, did not have momentum, immediately came back down, bit me. Ouch. This was the candle I should have taken it on, but I thought we were continuing momentum up, but we were too close to the bands, is my mistake. There was that nice move down on Apple. There in the top left-hand corner. Look at that. So back up. Thought about taking that one. Thought, well, I should have. Not my best trading day here. Now I think we got momentum. I probably gonna be wrong again though. Shit, I'm not trading my plan here. This is just bad trading on my part. Very bad trading on my part. Yep, that was just stupid. I don't know why. I have no idea why I took that trade. Probably because I thought it was going to continue up, but Okay. 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 Now once the try rise up again, this time I am actually getting a trigger. There we go. Boom. There, you got some back there. Nice. See if I actually follow my plan, it actually works. What do you know? In at 498 there, got out of 508. 10-point win. Got that last one back. Let's see if we can continue. Pulls back. Get back above 16.5 here. Everyone got really, really quiet. Be way, 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 way quiet. We're hunting NQ. All right, green days are always good. Looks like we're still trying to push up here. Or maybe not. There we go. Maybe another candle there. Blue candle. Kind of high though. I don't really like it when it's up to this high, especially after that burst. See if I'm right or not. I could be wrong. We'll watch it. Yep, pull back. It's kind of what I was expecting there. It's trying to pop. Trying to play with this level. 522. What's our high? Oh yeah, we're not near our high. Overnight high was 587. Dow's at its high day though. Wow, Dow's having a good day. ES is at its high day too. So it's the NQ that's not really doing well today. Yep, there we go. Now it's pushing up. I didn't want to trust it, but didn't give me a blue candle, so it really wasn't any triggers, but you can see it's continuing up here now. Pulling right back. Pulls down. Kind of boring right now. Let's see what everything else is doing. Crude, nice bounce there. After hitting a new low day. Wow. Really kind of bottomed out first. Ultrabond, yeah. Ultrabond's just been sideways all morning. Gold, wow, look at that bounce on gold. And coming back down. Copper. Wow, copper really bottomed. This was my line for its previous low day. And then bounced. How's everyone else doing today? Green, red, somewhere in the middle? Not sure how you can be in the middle unless you haven't taken a trade. Kind of hanging here, not really going in much direction either way right now. What about a trigger there on the 3 minute? Not really following the 3 minute, but that would have been a nice trigger on the 3 minute. There's a chance I might just drop down to one strategy here. You can see, let's just look at a couple. Oh, wow, crude's dumping. Let's look at crude here. So you can see here. Let's maybe crude wasn't the best. This is, like this right here. This was my trigger on, would have been my trigger on crude. Move down, 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 and then the green candle after several red candles or a purple candle, red candle. And you can see that nice move back up by like 50 ticks. It's like back here. And this was before the stream, but you can see this nice red candle out of the bands. Either any of these would have worked, and that led to this move down. And following those on a 5 minute chart on multiple assets might be something I'm into. Here again, especially if it's a purple candle or a blue candle. See this purple candle here? This is natural gas at about 8:50 Eastern. Since that purple candle out of the bands, green in the ultimate RSI. It's the 3 for 3 on the setup. And you can see how it led to this big move down. Basically from 847, it's going down to 767, so about 80 ticks there. It's possible. I'm trying to figure out the best way to set up alerts for it and all. Got to do some stats on it. Yeah, Bitcoin's now having a nice day. Almost back up to 44K. So you can even see it here on ES. So this is an ES chart. Purple or red, green right here. Coming out of the bands. Had red on the RSI. That was a 3.5 point move up. Here, this wasn't coming out of the bands, but it was a blue candle with red and could have got a 2 point win there. And then this is the big one. You can see here, this came up and kind of went sideways and it continued up. This led to the nice move. And here again, green purple coming out of the bands and led to this move here, which was 3-point move. Not bad at all. Dow, same thing down here. Nice blue candle. This is actually the open. Now, I didn't like the fact that it goes almost band to band. Even so, up nicely, beautiful. And here's that purple candle coming back out. Down, decent little move. For those trading natural gas, by the way, natural gas inventory is coming up in just a couple minutes. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. But I just missed one there. It was blue candle coming up out of the bands. It was not red on the RSI, but still, you can see this one here, 606. Up to, that's a nice 10-point win there. How's the fire, Cool Beans? Sorry, did not mean to hit the mic again. Blue candle almost faked me out there. Did not take it yet, but it may. See it pull back by 8 points. Took the long narrow based on that blue candle, the original blue candle there. Let's see if it goes. It's our ATR 11. Come on, head on up for me, baby. Ah, back to my entry. That doesn't look good. Went up by 8 points, did not go the 10 I was looking for. Yeah, I think this is gonna end it badly for me. But we'll see. Ooh, maybe. Wow, it got within a tick of my stop, and now I'm back to green. It doesn't want to seem to go further for me, though. I'll take a... what's Apple doing? Oh, Apple's dying. Wow, nope. No luck here. Let's see. Is there any news on Apple that's causing it to die? Now I'm going to take my stop. Wow. Nice, Sid. So this came back up and teased me. I thought it was going to go, and it didn't. Now it looks like it's going to take me out again. That's a big fall there. This is really teasing me. It wants to come back up to my entry again, maybe? I might just get out if it comes back up to my entry. When I say that, then when I'm thinking, well, it's back to my entry, it has momentum back up, right? I'm taking it right there. Green. I don't actually know how that trade ended up green, but it did. Ended up being 3 and 3/4 points. I'll take that. Wow. That came twice. Once it got within one tick of my stop on this candle right here. And then this candle got within 1 point of my stop and shot back up, and I took it for a green trade. I thought for sure I was taking a full 10-point stop there. Now trying to entice me back in with another blue candle. What did natural gas do on its inventories? Not really a big move there at all. Flying around with us right now. Gold. Trying to send a blue candle there as well. Copper heading up nicely. Pulls back. So I was right to take it where I took it. Or maybe not. Popping back up with a blue candle. It's very choppy. Been hanging around this 20 EMA. I don't know if I want to chance taking that there. I don't think I'm going to. It's agriculture doing. Soybean oil, big fall there. Oh, look at Bitcoin running back up above 44,000. Yeah, should have taken it. Nice rise there. Very nice rise. Gosh darn it. That didn't go 10. So at this point, I'd be like, should I take it? Or should I continue on? Dow, nice big blue candle. Apple trying to rebound there a little bit. Rising up. Oh, pull back. I like that red candle there, honestly. Yep, it went away. If it goes back to red, I like it, but if it doesn't, I don't. It looks like it's not going to. We have about 10 minutes left on the stream. And we're still rising. See, I didn't trust it, and I should have. It's one of my issues. Well, we're fighting those issues, and things are getting better. Ouch. Still rising. Still nowhere near the highs of the day for NQ. But ES, look at ES on this hour candle, 12 points. At its high day. So is this going to be the recovery day? Right now, NQ is still red on the day overall. Well, actually, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's still red, not by much. Opened at 545, so needs another 8 points. Pulling back. Purple candle. Or it was for a second. Oh, big pullback, 8 points. Short. Short off the purple. ATR's falling below 10. We're going to move our target to that 20 EMA. to my entry. Really? So looks like I should have taken the 5 points and been happy. Coming back down though. Let's see what happens. Yep, back up. So I should have taken the 1 candle. I've thought about doing it, just taking 1 candle, whatever it gives me. It would have been 4 points. It would have, 6 points, 7 points, but finished at 4. I need to get out of this trade. So we're out. Took the loss there, unfortunately. 5-point loss. Yeah, maybe I should have gotten out. Watch this come back down. My stop was at the top of that candle. That blue candle told me I should get out, but maybe I should not have. We shall see. Crude, new low a day. Still coming down. Ultraviolet actually hit a new low a day. It's tried to bounce from there. Gold. Kind of mid-range. Nice pullback there. Copper. What did the Russell do today? I didn't see Philip lately. I wonder where he got to. Purple candle below the signal line. So I should have stayed in that trade. Hey, Secret, how's it going? I'm doing all right. I go short there. ATR is just about 10, so let's see what happens. A minute or so left on the stream, but we'll stick with this trade till we'll stick with it until this trade's done. Looks like it's not going to go my way. See what happens on this next candle. Yep, ouch. Stop out. No. Well, not yet. Wow, got within a tick of my stop. Pull back. Now it stopped me out. Okay, so we end the day down about 500 bucks. That's okay. Do I thank everyone for joining me today? We will be back in tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.